Sorry. Sorry. Okay, let's summon your bird. Oh, that is not impressive at all. I was expecting, like, you know, a legit Thunderbird of some kind. Attack my Thunderbird. Good pet bird. Good. My stick. Touch my stick. Usually bodies like that, you can loot them. Three. It's dark in here. Turn the lights. Freaking see what I'm doing. And give me 1 second. I'm going to get up real quick and situate myself so I'm not so uncomfortable. I don't know if you can hear the AC or not, but hopefully if you can, it's not too distracting. Okay. Breathe and go. Zombies! Evil rocks! Die, evil rock! Die! No, that rock. There you go. Get it! Get it! Smash it! Smash it! Smashy, smashy. More evil rocks! Die! Die, evil rock! Stupid rock. Trying to stop me from living my life, rock? Huh? Oh wait, I just realized I didn't put points in this. Let's do, oh wait, got points in physique, cunning, spirit, more in physique for now. Let's equip that, and let's put those boots on, let's put that hat on. One thing I realized in this game is it is all about bonuses. It's like you have 2 pieces of armor, like I swapped out, was it your boots? Even though these boots in the inventory that I swapped out are 37 armor, and these are the ones I swapped them out for only 16, these ones have the bonuses for piercing damage and to your spirit. And that actually kind of balances it out. Maybe it's not a secondary weapon. I sure don't. Let's see. Let's put a... yeah. Works for me. I just have a ranged weapon anyway. I'm surprised I'm not picking up more stuff too. I haven't seen a single health potion. Alright. Let's do some grinding. Get some XP. She leveled up. Moves aren't real flashy. One thing I've noticed. I think I hit this Eye of Dread one. I really don't see anything. Oh, there it goes. Finally saw it for once. But there was a cave around here somewhere. My Thunderbird is still at full strength. I think they go far, did it? Get the barrel. Open the barrel. There you go. Thanks. You can do it. Punchy, punchy. Search the dead bodies. Oh, there's one. Oh, evil rock. Die, evil rock. I don't know, do rocks die? Or do you just crunch them until they're smaller rocks? How do you kill a rock? This is freaking me out, man. I don't know if I like it. Whoa! Stop shooting me with electricity, stupid rock. I'm gonna come break you. Break your face. Hey. Punch, stab, juke, health bar, bam. Punchies, punchies, punchies. And death. Gotcha. Does anybody know what happened? Because I don't know what happened. And I was there. God, pick up stuff already, will you? Jeez Louise. So, Alex, I don't know if your brother told you, because you know how good he is at passing notes between us all. So I message him on Discord all the time. I don't know if you know that. Like, he sends me TikTok stuff and, like, clips, and, you know, we chit-chat a little. That's mostly me sending him memes, or sending him videos of stuff like this, or stuff that I find, you know. And there was this article I found the other day about a new Fallout mod that it was like a DLC basically for the whole settlement system, and it sounded really cool. And I've already downloaded it and stuff, but I have not taken the time to play it. Still got like the Borderlands bug in me right now, so I've been playing pre-sequel and I've been playing pre-sequel and Borderlands 2 mostly, off and on, the last couple of months. Just still love those games, man. They're so fun. Even though it's like, you know, I've played those missions probably 100 times each. Anyways, Fallout 4.
My inventory is full.
No, it was a mod, not DLC.
My inventory is full.
My inventory is full. It's something like there's new stuff to do, like with the settlements, and there's actual missions, and then there's like 2 new factions. Like, it sounded like super in depth. I want to say it was like a full gigabyte and plus some download too. Like, it was pretty hefty. Like I said, I haven't tried it yet. I'm going to. I'll let you know how that goes. I'll probably record it for you. Let's see. Let's go sell some crap.